Hey guys, Nora Nightmare here, and today I am doing a requested video. This is from my friend Emily. I am going to post a link to her YouTube channel in the description box below, and this is my preferred method for wearing false eyelashes. It lasts a really long time. I can wear them for 12 or 14 hours without them driving me crazy or starting to fall off. I also think that it's way more comfortable after a little while. You can barely even tell they're there. So without further ado, let's get to the video. So to begin, we are going to need a set of false lashes. Now I really do prefer these because they have an invisible band. I find that the thinner the band, the easier they are to apply, the easier they are to wear, the more comfortable they are, the more flexible they are. So you're going to feel less like you have something stuck to your face. So what I do is I take these, I grab a tweezer, pull them off as gently as I can, keeping them all in one piece. And then I hold them like this by the center of the lash. I grab my little scissors and I cut them into 4 pieces. I only use 3 of the 4 pieces. Okay. Blurg. Stuck to my scissors. So you're going to end up with little chunks that look like this. And now I will say with the back 3/4, it doesn't matter how big you cut them, but you're going to want to make sure that the inner quarter, this little tiny guy, the very, very inner corner, those do have to be cut exactly the same, or else there will be a visible difference in the 2 sides of your eyes, and that's not super cute. So then I just rearrange them around the holder like so. So you can see this is the inner corner that I won't be using on my eye. These are the 3 pieces that I will be applying. So I always start with the outer corner. Oh, by the way, these lashes, they are Stardell Lash SFDW. They are from the Hush app. They are $2 with free shipping. And then my glue is the Duo brush-on adhesive. I love this. It is my single favorite eyelash glue of all time. I like it because it is clear, so I can wear my eyelashes with or without significant other makeup on. So if I feel like it, I can just wear lashes on a bare lid without it looking crazy. That's another reason that I like the invisible band lashes, is they're a lot less noticeable. So you hold your little lash like this. I'm going to try and position this in front of my face so you can see what I'm doing a little better. And then you just dab your glue on across the band. Hold it. I like to blow on it so it gets a little tacky. You'll notice that the glue starts to transfer from white to clear. And once it gets pretty close to clear, then you're going to be safe for working. Grip the lash like this. Get right up in there and just stick it as close into your lash line as you can get. And then I usually tap it down with my finger and then tap it back up. And there's your first piece on. And then you just continue that same exact thing with the other 2 pieces. I really do find that the 3 pieces works best for me. The inner part of my eye is where I always lose my lashes, so I just don't put them there. There you go, there's our second piece. Unfortunately, I am having some lighting issues. I need to get proper lights, but that's gonna be a few paychecks away, unless some kind viewer would like to assist. I'm gonna throw on that third and final piece. Brr, brr, brr. Okay. I definitely recommend sort of smooshing them into your natural lashes a little bit. It really helps them stick better. Okay, so there's one side. You can still see the band a little bit. That's because I don't have mascara on, because I'm a huge idiot and I didn't put it on before I did this eye. Then I'm going to go in and tightline like I always do with just a regular little pencil. And that really goes a long way to making these look more put together. And of course, as you guys know, I don't do across the upper lash line liner really, because I feel like it makes my eyes look small because I have hooded eyes, and I can never get it right. So I have my own special method for doing my wings, because today I am going for a little bit of a gothabilly look. It's Mother's Day, so we're going out for a fancy dinner and all that jazz. So I've got my tight lining. I'm just going to go in and do a little wing. Little wing, that's a joke. So there we go. Now I'm just going to throw on a little mascara. I bought a new one actually that I really like. It's Essence Rock'n'Doll. It's like $4, cruelty free, and I just love the look. It's very, very bold, which is totally my jam. Oh yeah, there we go. Now that I've got a little mascara on my natural lashes, these falsies look a lot more coherent. Perfect. And there we go. And these are false eyelashes that you can wear all day without wanting to gouge your own eyeballs out. And it's also super cheap and easy. Everything is from Hush, the Shop Hush app. I think the whole kit and caboodle with the tweezers and the glue and the lashes is like less than $10. So there we go. Enjoy.